Vidya, it's shocking that this is a 100-foot tall billboard set to be erected illegally, but despite complaints, there wasn't much done. And it's not as if Mumbai doesn't get this kind of harsh rainfall and winds and storm. It's a common affair in Mumbai, and yet you had that hoarding registering for Limca Book, winning that award, and almost boasting of it being placed right there in the heart of Ghatkopar.
In fact, Nabila, when the hoarding had registered for the Limca Book Record, that's when the authorities realized that it was way beyond the permissible limits that they had kept for hoarding, which is about 40 feet by 40 feet for hoarding across the city. And that's one of the reasons why they immediately sent a notice. According to the BMC, the company which owns those hoarding, in fact, actually sent them back a notice that saying that they had a permission from the GRP and that the BMC could do nothing about it. In fact, they sent out a long list of legal, remedies that they had and a whole lot of jing-bang. However, the BMC was very sure that they could take action, and that's one of the reasons why they had sent a notice. However, certainly before they could actually take the action, this entire incident happened. Now the BMC is, there are 3 other hoardings which are very huge without limited, with limited foundation. These huge hoardings have been put up, which is the reason why it just blew in the strong wind. The BMC has now decided to take action, and in some time we'll see that the hoardings which are right next to it, there are 3 other hoardings, they will be removed. And apart from that, across Mumbai, every ward officer, the BMC commissioners have been told that they have to take action. So across the city, there is action being taken to remove illegal hoardings that could just come off loose.